Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
When Access opens, it displays a window which allows you to create a new database file that will contain either a desktop database or a web-based app. A new Access database file is a container that will hold all of the tables, view definitions, forms, reports, queries, macros, and modules required by the desktop database or web-based app. Within Access, a desktop database is simply a database that is intended to be used on a single computer or within a local area network. A web-based app is a database application that is intended to be shared on the Internet using SharePoint or Office 365 services. After starting Access, you can choose to create a new database file from scratch using a blank desktop database or web-based app, or you can create one that contains some basic database objects by selecting one of the templates that are shown. To create a new database file in Access, click on the name of the type of template that you want to use as the basis for your database file within the listing shown in the startup screen. At that point, a smaller window will appear on screen where you can enter a name for the file into the file name field. For locally saved files, the default location where Windows will save the file will be shown below the name. To change this location, you can click the small folder button at the right end of the file name field to open a File New Database window where you can change the directory into which to save the file. Note that if you are saving a web-based app, then enter a URL address of a site to save the file to by typing the URL into the web location field. Once you have given Access a file name and decided where to save it, then click the Create button within the small window to create the Access database file. Once you have created a new Access file, you will then see the main Access user interface where you will design the objects within the desktop database or web-based app.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.